teeny tiny little kitchen. Welcome. Hello everybody, we're going to be doing cinnamon rolls. I was just heating up the milk right there a little bit for you guys. You have to heat it up 30 seconds in the microwave. I'm measuring the yeast that you have to use for the bread para que se, así como que se haga panecito, ¿no? I'm just gonna measure everything. Pretty much everything is a tablespoon except the salt, it's a teaspoon, okay? So 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3 teaspoons of butter. All these other wet ingredients that you will be mixing for the dough of the cinnamon rolls. Okay, so let's mix the milk, let's mix the yeast, sugar, salt, the butter, and we're gonna be adding an egg. We're gonna whisk it all together. These are the ingredients that I used. These are the measurements I used, and it worked out perfectly. The breads didn't come out 100%. I would say maybe 80%. But for the first time doing cinnamon rolls, I think I did a pretty good job. So just mix everything. You guys could see that the bubbles of the yeast, so that means it's good. We're gonna add 3 cups of flour. I did buy flour especially for cookies and cakes, so just look out for a flour especially for these things. And I mixed it with that thing, but it really didn't work. So at the beginning, I was like, okay, my first time I failed, it's not gonna work because it was so stuck to my hands, you guys. No podía quitarme la pinche harina de las manos. I swear to you guys. So después agregué poquita más harina, put a little bit more flour for the stickiness to go away, and you're gonna be working on it, you guys. I'm fast forwarding this, so imagine how long it took me. Putting some flour in the surface for the flour not to stick to the surface, and just working it, you guys. Work that flour because you're gonna have to stretch it later to make it flat, to add the cinnamon and the brown sugar. So just keep working and hopefully you guys like it. This is just the way to make your dough, to make your flour. I will be adding a part 2 later, but editing is no joke. You will be setting it for around 30 minutes for it to poof up. Okay, you guys, so thank you so much. Hopefully you like my video. Loves and kisses. Tápala con una garrita. There you go. You guys see? You have 30 minutes, okay? That one didn't work. It was too small. Thank you. Hello, guys. So just wanted to retell you guys the ingredients. So 1 cup milk, warm milk. You will pop it up in the microwave for 30 seconds. Will be the yeast. The yeast will, if you buy it in a packet, that's how I did it. Just put the whole packet inside. It's 1 tablespoon. And then it's 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon salt. So it's just like a pinch of salt. It's very little. 3 tablespoons butter that you can melt like 20 seconds in the microwave, 1 egg, and then 3 cups flour. And then after you mix all this flour and then it becomes the dough, you guys are, like I said in the video, it's very sticky. Then you are going to feel how sticky your dough is, and you're gonna be adding flour until you don't feel that stick anymore. That's how I guessed it. You know, I can't tell you put 3 cups or 1 cup. It's how you feel your dough. So when it's not stickable anymore and it doesn't stick in your hands, it's ready to go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Come back and give it a thumbs up. Mwah!